Are you looking for a home that is move-in ready, zoned for top-rated schools, and that will make your family feel as if they are in permanent vacation mode? Welcome to 2271 Stone Cross Circle. This home is located in the prestigious gated community of Stoneybrook East. Stoneybrook has been voted as one of the top 5 hottest communities in the country. It is nestled between Avalon Park and the Waterford Lakes Town Center, in just minutes from the 408 and 528 expressways. Your family will be able to enjoy the many wonderful amenities, such as tennis and basketball courts, softball and soccer fields, a recently renovated playground, and a state-of-the-art amenity center with Zumba classes, a full gym with personal trainers, Pilates, yoga, swimming classes, karate classes, and more. What Stoneybrook is most famous for is its 18-hole golf course. Stoneybrook East Golf Club has a reputation for excellent greens and great course conditions that will challenge every aspect of your game, from tee to green. It also features a pro shop, restaurant, and full bar. And I'm sure you're ready to see this housing site, right? So my name is Giselle Colbridge. I'm gonna take you on a tour to show you this newly renovated housing site. So what I really like about this house is that the designer and contractors paid attention to every single detail. I'm sure you will fall in love with the house. You will immediately notice the fine Italian porcelain tile throughout the house, the fresh paint inside, new door handles, new outlets, and new switches. The luxurious hallway light fixture and the upgraded baseboards will make you fall in love with this house. This formal living area can be easily turned into an enclosed office. The dining room features a brand new chandelier. And the kitchen features 42-inch cabinets, custom made. I want you to see also inside. Look at that, amazing. And brand new microwave, brand new stove, brand new dishwasher, Calacata quartz countertops, brand new faucet, brand new light fixtures, and all this overlooking the family room with this amazing view here to your large backyard. On the first level, you have the convenience of a secluded bedroom that can be used as an office, game room, or flex room. Going upstairs, you will notice the brand new luxury laminate floor that adds the perfect warmth to the white tones in the house. To the left, you will find the master suite and the master bathroom. The master bathroom features a modern luxury tub and new double sink vanity with quartz countertops, new mirrors and ceiling fixtures, and an amazing rain shower with jets. Following to the other side of the house, you will find a large flex area with balcony and 2 bedrooms, sharing a fully renovated bathroom. And this is where your family will really enjoy the Florida lifestyle, outside in this enormous backyard. You can easily put in a pool or have a summer kitchen put in as well here. So come and see this house. What I have to tell you is that you won't regret. The owners are willing to finance it 100%. Yes, you heard it. You heard me saying 100% seller's financing. So come and see it.